morning and welcome to Iguazu Falls. We're going to be heading into the national park to see the famous falls that are the widest in the world. But come with us as we learn about it.
So welcome to the Iguazu National Park, and I'll bring you guys to the waterfalls right now. We walk around 1,200 meters to see the falls, okay? And probably 1 hour and a half walking around it.
Thank you. We have a guide, but they do have transport if you need it. So Brazilians are a little less. That's okay. Here are the lines of all the people waiting to go in to buy their tickets first. Macon is with us, so it's a lot easier. Of course, there's a gorgeous gift shop as soon as you walk in. Nice looking things. Heard about that. Yeah. It's a raccoon. It's a type of raccoon.
Like yes.
Will we see them in the park?
For sure.
Great.
Yeah, there's too many around.
How bright do I want to be in a t-shirt? That's the whole thing. All these people are waiting for the buses to take them in, but here he goes. Macon is going to drive us in our car. That is really something. From the Brazilian side, you can see the whole width of the falls. From the Argentina side, because 80% of the falls are in Argentina, you don't get the scope of the entire width. Do not feed the Coatis. We have no food on us, which is good. Otherwise, they just attack you for the food. There goes a cachi. I have no idea what's up there. Hundreds and hundreds of people. These birds are huge. The bridge into the devil's throat. That is freaky scary. Now we're in line for the panoramic elevator. You know, it almost makes me nauseous watching water like that. Another tattoo. Have it put red on a t-shirt. Can you imagine, here you are boating along what looks like a placid river, and then wham! Those nasty cachi are all over the darn place. I do believe that's Argentina on the other side.